Hi guys, this is CJ from AgentSmartly, your California real estate salesperson exam prep website, boiled down to 144 key concepts, of course, with key practice questions and progress tracking. So today we're breaking down the key concept, progression and regression. Website link in the description below. Okay, let's get started. So first we go to this key concept point right here, and what we'll see here, the progression and regression. So what is that? Let's break down to it. And neighborhood values like a gravity, right? Near homes pull each other up and down. Progression rise a cheaper home near the pricier homes, while the regression lowers the price, the home value near cheaper homes. So basically it's like, simply put this way, the property price near your home impact your own property price. For the key points, better to own the modest home in a nicer area than the nicest home in the weaker area. So do not assume the fancy home keeps the full value if the surrounding home much cheaper. So once again, the house around your property, it really impacts the property of your own, right? So for the technical distinctions, progression pulls lower value property up. Regression drags a higher value property down. For the memory trick, progression promotes a modest house. Regression reduces the mansion. There's a real life example. Maya buys a small 600 bungalow in Pasadena, where the most homes are 1.2 million. It's a nicer surrounding to help her home raised by progression. So once again, you think the average home there is 1.2, right? Even though her home is 600K, but because surrounded by a more expensive home, so that increase his house value because of the neighborhood, right? So do not confuse with the highest and the best use. The highest and the best use ask the most profitable legal use. It's for the usage of the property, not the regression or progression. But regression and progression ask how the neighborhood affect the value, right? For the exam tip, buy the biggest, nicest home in the cheapest area for appreciation, which is not true, right? Circle the keywords like surrounding, neighboring, more expensive, less expensive for the keywords. So and also I also made a let me see. I also made a infographic for this key concept as well. So as you can see, I hope you guys can see that clearly now. So progression, regression, right passes to the real estate. So once again, you see the property, right? So you will see for the memory trick, just remember, okay? So for the memory trick, just like the area, and your neighborhood impacts the value of your own property, okay? So that's pretty much about this key concept. If you are preparing for your real estate salesperson exam, and you might check out our website, you already see we have a 144 key concept, which is the most important key concept for your exam. And also you could practice questions right here by different topics. Last and not least, we also have this progress tracking right here, everything you need. Okay, link in the description below. If you like this video, make sure to thumbs up. And yeah, I guess, and I will see you guys in the next video.